Hello everyone, I am Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss copy command, move command and rotate command in AutoCAD. So let's start with copy command. To choose copy command, go to modify toolbar and here choose copy. Otherwise, press CO and then press enter. Now it's asking for the objects you want to copy. Select those objects you want to copy. Say we want to copy this circle. Select this circle, press enter. Now it's asking for the base point. Say the center point is the base point. Say we want to copy this circle at the vertex point of this triangle. Now it's asking for the second point. Select the vertex, this one and this one. Press enter. Now you can see we have 3 copy of this circle, vertex of this triangle as the center point. Let's try again. Press CO, then press enter. Select this circle, press enter. Select the center point as the base point and select the vertex points. Now let's talk about the move command. To choose move command, go to modify toolbar and here choose move, or press M and then press enter. Say we want to move this object inside this triangle. Choose move command first, press M and then press enter. Select the object, press enter. Specify base point. And move the object where you want. You can see we move this object inside this triangle. Let's move this rectangle inside the circle. Choose move command. Select the rectangle. Press enter. Specify the base point. And now move it inside the circle. Let's talk about rotate command. There are two methods to rotate an object. You can rotate the reference object, otherwise you can copy that object and rotate it. To choose rotate command, go to modify toolbar and here choose rotate. Otherwise, press RO and then press enter. Let's draw some geometry first. Now let's rotate this triangle. Press RO, then press enter. Now you have to select object you want to rotate. Select objects, press enter. Now you have to specify the base point about which you want to rotate. Say this point is the base point. Now you have to specify the angle about which you want to rotate. Say the angle is 180 degree and press enter. Press 180 and then press enter. You can see we rotate this one at this position. Now let's talk about the next method, which is copy rotate. Press RO, then press enter. Say we want to rotate, copy this object and rotate this object. Then select this one, press enter. Now you have to specify the base point. Say this one is the base point. To use copy rotate, press C and then press enter. Now we have to specify the angle. So the angle is again 180 degree. Press enter. Here you can see we make a copy of this object and rotate it about 180 degree. So that's all from my side. If you have any query, let me know in comments. If you like my video, then press the thumb button, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for another updates. Thank you.